Right next to me, guys, is a carbon fiber Copo hood for our good friend Joe, part of 909 Camaro Car Club. What we're going to do to right now is we just equipped him with the heat shield all around surrounding the back end of this carbon. So his ZL1, when it's on or he's driving it, there's a lot of heat that's coming out of that engine bay. So therefore, this thermotech is going to fully protect it from the heat to protect a long-lasting carbon fiber hood. As you can see, he came down without the hood, which is really cool. If you guys didn't know, you can get away driving down to us without a hood if you guys want to get your carbon hood installed with us. But it's time to slap it on right now, show you guys the final finish and the great contrast of this bright red Camaro with the Copo carbon fiber hood. Alright guys, let's go ahead and check out this massive Copo carbon fiber hood, glowing really bright with this amazing ZL in this red OEM factory paint. One of my favorite because it gives the ZL a much more aggressive, a full functional vent and the aerodynamic to make sure it's given that aggressiveness and the stealth look that it deserves. Would you guys rock this on your Gen 5? Let us know in the comments. I look forward to hearing from you guys. Got a question for you guys. If you guys were the owner of this beautiful ZL and you added this Copo carbon fiber hood with us, what would be your next move with us? Would it be some headlights, lip, side rockers, a carbon steering wheel? Let us know in the comments. I look forward to hearing all your answers down below.